It's corn soup today at the garden. The locals enjoyed it. And you won't believe how simple this is. Just corn, garlic, and egg drop. Done. And please join me to share this. Have some learning and fun with this 5-minute dish. Hello. Look, you won't believe what we're cooking today. It's very simple. Just 2 ingredients. Corn, egg. Corn and egg. And garlic. Just to spice it a bit. And we can start. In fact, this is almost real time. We need water. We're making, by the way, corn soup. Corn and egg drop soup. With our fresh harvest of corn. I hope you don't mind this. It's not immaculate, but I don't have any other... Oh, okay. Let's use the black corn. Okay. When we wait, where should I put this? I think on the other side for more view. Yeah, that's good. Okay. While we wait for that to boil, let's prepare the corn. It's best to use this grater. Look. You can use a knife, but I prefer this. It's quicker and it's finer. The corn thickens the soup. It adds flavor at the same time, thickens the soup. And the egg at the end further thickens it. Very simple. By the way, I learned this from my Madam Grace, who also learned this in her immersion. She lived in Hong Kong and she used to prepare this there. It's where she learned it. And she handed over the recipe to me. And I'll be presenting this to her later. I hope you don't mind my t-shirt. I just work in the garden. I planted new cabbages and flowers. I think I'm going to give you a tour next week. I think this is enough for 4 people. Let's set this to a side and let's prepare the other ingredient. Garlic. This is the first time I use garlic without stir frying it. Oh no, my pinakbet uses the same approach. Where's the knife? The garlic. And the corn. Look how easy is this. I'll be serving this to 4 people. So instead of 1 egg, I'll use 2. Double the volume. to a side. It's boiling now. Let's add the flavoring, which is simply chicken powder. Crab would be ideal here, but we don't have it. So, chicken powder. Why not? Before you get bored watching this very simple soup, how about the tour? Some amusement. I'll tour you around the surrounding of the shed. The flowers are in their best. Immerse yourself in the colors. This is a view that I enjoy while cooking. Sharing it with you. Not just the dish, but also the sides from here at the garden. Back to our dish. The chicken flavoring is not salty enough, so we'll add some salt, this much. I hope that was not sugar. And then we can add the egg and we're done with this. And some pepper. We turn it off. And look, we have soup, Chinese style. How about this? Let's bring it to Man and Grace. This is our, what is it called? Thumbnail. I told you, despite being simple, it's delicious and everyone enjoyed it, including me. We'll do this again, and I hope you were inspired to do this at home as well. Use canned corn if you don't have fresh ones. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to see you again on our next upload as we bring you more about growing, cooking, and sharing. Until next time.